let's get you the very latest, and this is a protest that continues as far as the death of the coaching center, the three UPSC aspirants who died. So students in North Delhi have blocked a road in Mukherjee Nagar as protests continue in the coaching hub of Delhi. This after 3 students drowned as the basement flooded at that coaching center in Old Rajendra Nagar. More than 400 students have been participating in the protest for the past 3 days amid heavy police deployment. The civil services aspirants who are protesting outside the coaching center have gone on an indefinite hunger strike. At least 10 of the students have gone on that indefinite hunger strike, demanding action in the case of the death of the 3 students, along with the compensation of 5 crore rupees to the families of the victims. The DCP there spoke with the protesting students. Let's just listen in.
आपको पता है कि इसमें केस ऑलरेडी रजिस्टर्ड है. 7 people have been arrested, which includes coaching center owner, coordinator, building owner, and even the person who has driven that car rashly and which has caused that wave, which आप जो आई विटनेसेस मैंने बताया, जो एक वीडियो में भी दिखता है कि वो गाड़ी का साथ जो इंसिडेंट हुआ. वी आर नॉट लीविंग एनी स्टोन अनटर्न्ड. इन्वेस्टिगेशन कुछ कंप्लीट नहीं हो गया है. तो अभी ये 7 people have been arrested, और ये नहीं है कि इन्वेस्टिगेशन अब कंप्लीट हो गया है, और ये इन्वेस्टिगेशन इज स्टिल गोइंग ऑन.
And to get more on this, we have my colleague Sakshi Bajaj joining us from right at the site where the protest has been taking place over the last 3 days. Sakshi, over 400 students have been participating in the protest. 10 of them are said to be on an indefinite fast. It is the students that are demanding justice in this particular case, in which 3 students died of drowning in that basement of that coaching center in Old Rajendra Nagar. So more than 400 students who've been participating in that protest, of which 10 aspirants have started that indefinite strike. This is an indefinite hunger strike. Their main demands are met, which includes compensation of 5 crore rupees to the families of the victims. They are, of course, asking for more in terms of the safety and security arrangements as far as these coaching centers are concerned. Do remember, water from a flooded drain gushed into that basement where a library was set up. The police is interacting with the protesting students daily in order to understand their issues, their concerns and their problems. And to get us more on that, Sakshi, take us through what are the demands that are being made by these protesting students.
We are outside Old Rajendra Nagar's coaching institute where 3 students lost their lives after their basement was flooded. We can see since Saturday, students here protesting. Today, many of them on hunger strike and demanding things in written now, saying we don't want measures to be announced verbally, we want transparency, and we seek confirmation in written as well as transparency in written. We can see students sitting here in a peaceful protest at large, most of them on hunger strike at the moment, and many of them here since Saturday listing out really in written what their demands are, very clearly, stating what they want and what they seek the government to do. We will try and speak to some students here and ask them for what they are seeking in written. आपकी क्या मांग है सरकार से?
सरकार से ये मांग है कि जो जैसे अभी आपको मैं पिछली रिसेंट कहानी बताना चाहूँगा कि जो अभी मुखर्जी नगर में भी आपने सुना होगा, पिछले 3-4 महीने भी नहीं होंगे, वहाँ पे हादसे हुए थे जो आग की कार्रवाई हुई थी. तो उसके बाद एलजी साहब ने एक नोटिफिकेशन डाला था कि सारी प्रॉपर कार्रवाई की जाएगी. लेकिन आप उसके 4 महीने बाद आप देख रहे हो करोल बाग, जो कि एक बोला जाता है कि एक IAS हब है, यहाँ से देश चलता है या यहाँ से जो ऑफिशियल्स जाते हैं, आज वो उनमें से जो जितने छात्र आप देख रहे हो आधे से ज़्यादा सारी एस्पिरेंट्स हैं. लेकिन आज उनको रोड पे बैठना पड़ रहा है. और जो हमने मांगे दी थी वो एक बार ही नहीं, वो 500 बार भी आप लोगों ने अपने न्यूज़ चैनल पे भी चलाया है. तो जो मांगे हैं उन मांगों में ना, हम कल LG साहब आए थे, डेलीगेशन आई थी, लेकिन उसके बाद भी हमें लिखित में कुछ नहीं दिया गया कि जैसे MCD से कोई कार्रवाई और ऐसा कुछ आश्वासन, सिर्फ आश्वासन पे आश्वासन दिया जाता है और उसके लिखित रूप में कहीं कभी नहीं आता है।
Right, so you heard that very, very clearly. They're saying that we want confirmation, we want a framework in written now. We know that verbal assurances are being given, but we want things to be absolutely transparent. We want action to now be implemented. Really proactive action from all authorities at large is what students here are demanding. We're going to try and speak to some others as well. आपकी क्या मांग?
मैम
What are you seeking?
हमारी डिमांड ये है कि जितनी सीवेज सिस्टम है इस पूरे करोल बाग और उवारेन की, इसको दोबारा रिनोवेट किया जाए। पिछले 60-70 साल पुरानी ये सीवेज सिस्टम है जिसकी वजह से हमारे भाइयों बहनों की जान गई और भी चांसेस है आगे जाने की, तो हम दोबारा चांस नहीं लेंगे और ये हमारा पहले दिन से ही कमिटमेंट है। दूसरा डिमांड ये है, जो कंपनसेशन की बात हुई थी उस पर कोई किसी का, जो हमारा पहला ही डिमांड यही है कंपनसेशन में कि जो कोचिंग इंस्टीट्यूट है रॉज, इसकी तरफ से अप्रॉक्स, मैं तो एग्जैक्टली जो बच्चे कह रहे हैं 5 करोड़ के आसपास का है, 5 करोड़ हमारा डिमांड है कि दिया जाए हर बच्चे को, हर बच्चे के पेरेंट्स को दिया जाए और उसमें रॉ IAS एकेडमी का भी पूरा उसमें हाफ कंट्रीब्यूशन होना चाहिए सरकार के बाद भी। और एक है, जो नए बच्चे आते हैं उनका एडमिशन जब हो रहा हो तो हर एक कोचिंग इंस्टीट्यूट इंश्योरेंस दे हर एक बच्चे का, यहाँ पर रहने का, उसके जीने का, उसके लाइफ का और यहाँ के हेल्थ का, उसका कोचिंग इंस्टीट्यूट उनके इंश्योरेंस का, उनके हर एक चीज़ का इंश्योरेंस का गारंटी दे। दैट्स इट, ये हमारा डिमांड है।
Right. You heard that very, very clearly there. Many saying that, look, they are also seeking a clear framework, insurance measures at large. Remember, many of these students are coming from across India, studying here at months at end, spending in lakhs really. And after what has happened, this tragic incident, they now want a clear framework, not just verbally from all authorities at large, but they're seeking confirmation in written.
Right, Sakshi, so demands being made. 10 of those aspirants, they have gone on that indefinite fast. They are asking for insurance for the new aspirants who will be joining these coaching centers, asking for changes to be made on every level, and of course that compensation of 5 crore rupees to the families of the 3 victims, and also asking for the coaching center to be providing for economical, this is the relief as far as the victims' families are concerned. Thank you so much, Sakshi. We will keep coming back to you for that.